Over 600 seniors registered for today's mass vaccination blitz at the National Arena. Officials from the Ministry of Health say they're pleased with the turnout.
Fanny Knight is a centenarian. The 101-year-old St. Andrew resident appeared to be in good spirits after she was vaccinated.
I didn't even feel it. I feel all right. And I encourage others to come.
The Ministry of Health fell short in its target to vaccinate 1,000 people at the National Arena today. 662 seniors signed up to take the jab. As at 11:30 a.m., 400 people received the immunization. People like Will Morgan, who was recently hospitalized. She's been anticipating this day for weeks now. As we learned, she has underlying medical conditions.
I have a heart problem more than 9 years now. And I have arthritis. In my foot, it knock up your foot, certain thing I can't walk. In my condition, I did end up in the hospital at death door. So I would say the both of them, by taking this now, I hope this will help me.
In fact, there was optimism all around.
I feel quite all right. At the moment, I already got it. It's nothing to it. Just make your mind up and you're going to have it done. That's it. I'm waiting for the next one to come.
Also on location was the Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton.
Started a little earlier than planned because persons came from 8 o'clock. We were planning to start at 10. We did it a little earlier. It has been going very well so far. As you can see, the arena is divided into 4 clusters and we move persons in groups. We provide the counseling, the application of the vaccine and the observation at the same location. So there's no movement once they get in. They have their caregivers with them. And generally speaking, I think the feedback has been positive and the workflow has proven to be fairly efficient.
He says the ministry is hoping to take the vaccination blitz across the country. Meanwhile, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie says she has not received any reports of major complications from the vaccine so far, except for cases of mild side effects like flu-like symptoms, which she says will go away within days. Dr. Bisesa Mackenzie is, however, reminding persons that the vaccines will not prevent them from developing complications from hypertension, diabetes, or strokes.
So it is not going to prevent complications of your diabetes or your hypertension or strokes or anything like that. So where those would happen in the normal population at a certain prevalence, then that is not going to stop. And as more and more of our elderly persons become vaccinated, you are going to find that persons are going to coincidentally, having had the vaccine, develop other problems. But that does not say that the vaccine was the cause of this problem.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.